Okay, so this first one we're going to do is setting up our account. If you've already done this, you don't have to watch this video, but there are some tips in here that you might not have known. So the account basics over here is essentially what we're going to do is we're going to go to peardeck.com. And at this point, we're just going to do teacher login. Now you notice here that it automatically logged me in, but what you'll do is make sure that you log in with Google. Let me see if I can log out here, sign out. Okay, so this is what will happen. When you do teacher login, you don't have to sign up. You just have to do login. So when you click login with Google, you'll select your East Penn Google account. And that's going to log you in and give you premium. Okay, that's very important. Premium will give you all access. If you use your personal Gmail, you'll only get a trial or you'll get the basic version. The next thing we want to do is we want to go into add-ons here. Okay, open up a slide deck and get to add-ons and go get add-ons here. And it's near the top always, but you can always search right here for Pear Deck. And you want to install this. Now I already have it installed obviously, but you want to make sure that you install this because that will give you the ability to add questions and add interactive features and present via Pear Deck. The final thing you want to do is something that many people don't know, and this is the Powerup extension. You can see it up here, this little Pear Deck Powerup. It's always running. Now the reason for that is because when you use Pear Deck, it disables videos and animated GIFs to student devices. But with this, it'll actually enable them. So if you have a video on a slide deck, it will actually enable that video for students to be able to watch it. This is a great tool for self-paced, which we're going to be talking about later. This tool will allow students to watch the video and then go and answer questions on the very next slide. So to do that, I have a link right here. It'll take you into this, and mine says remove from Chrome, but yours will say add to Chrome. You just click on that and make sure it's always running in your extensions. It doesn't use a lot of resources, so your computer's not going to go slow or start losing battery really quick. So if you have those three things, again, signing up via peardeck.com to authenticate your account, and then going in and adding the slide add-on, and then finally going to the Chrome store and adding this, you will be able to create self-paced Google slide decks that allow for interactive questions in between, as well as embedding video inside there so that students will be able to watch those videos at their own time.